Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Careers in the Field of Information Technology. This course is a presentation of Coding Bootcamps. This is Section 6, Cloud Technology Topics and Jobs. Just to recap what we have learned so far, we had our Introduction to IT, we discussed web development and software engineering, mobile applications, and we just completed system administration. Our topics for this session: an overview of cloud technology, popular job titles and functions, programming languages, and we'll have a summary. So cloud computing is a word we hear quite often. Here we'll define it as the delivery of different services using the internet as a medium. So as a connection to the internet, we're going to connect to a remote data center and use a firm's computing and data services. So these resources include tools and applications. Some data storage and servers are an example. Databases and networking and enterprise software is another example. So something like a Gmail is a good example of software that we use through the cloud. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to data and software programs to run on it. And that's 100% true. Here, due to the importance and popularity of cloud technology, this session is covered in depth in our course, Introduction to Cloud Technology, and I do highly recommend this course. A few popular job titles, so cloud software engineer, so using the cloud to actually engineer software to put the best practices of software engineering to use using cloud services. A cloud sales executive selling cloud services to other firms. Cloud engineer, again, putting the engineering best practices to work using cloud technology and cloud services. Cloud developer, so using all the best practices of development only on a cloud servers and cloud hardware. System administrator, so managing dedicated cloud resources for a firm. Cloud consultant is somebody with a distinct specialization in cloud technology, and they hire themselves out to different clients. Cloud systems engineer, so somebody who is able to put systems engineering best practices to use through, again, cloud technology. Network engineering, so networking with cloud resources and the firm's native network. And cloud product manager, again, building products, usually software products, software services, using the services that the cloud provides. It's also cloud architect, so architecting solutions using cloud resources. Security engineer, making sure, this is very important, making sure that our cloud computing is indeed secure for the firm and for our users. DevOps engineer, many cloud providers provide DevOps tools, which work quite well with their virtual images. Data engineer, just again, using the best practices of database and data security with data exchange and databases running on the cloud. Full stack engineer, and engineer building systems with a framework of technology called full stack. QA engineer, it's all the same. You're just using cloud technology. You are putting best practices and quality to work, making sure that you're using the best practices of quality and that you are releasing a quality product. Network architect, again, architecting a network, a communication between the native firm and the cloud provider or providers. And digital skills officer, getting an understanding of the skills needed to best deliver services to customers, deliver to the enterprise, and also how to make best use of the firm's resources and technology resources. Cloud professionals often have skills that are common among system administrators and engineers. Their job functions are mainly related to design and development, deployment, and maintenance of cloud-based applications. So cloud can be used, readily used for backup. It can be used for extra storage. It can also be used to manage any kind of demand. So if there's high demand on a particular application, cloud is a great solution for scaling up. Cloud professionals also design cloud infrastructure and migrate legacy applications to the cloud, or they secure currently running cloud applications. Some examples of popular cloud providers, so Amazon Web Services or AWS, Azure, and here the vendor is Microsoft. The IBM Cloud is very popular. Oracle Cloud is very popular. Also, the Google Cloud is very popular. DevOps is a methodology, but it's a methodology supported by a technical set of practices and tools which are often available through the cloud, through most cloud providers. Docker and Kubernetes are virtualized strategies. These are actually considered to be what we call container strategies, which involve virtualization and are available through all of these and more cloud providers. And these are three of the most popular cloud tools and products. Each has their own certification. So here's a listing here of Amazon Web Services certifications. So consult your training materials for any classes in any of these certifications. And also certifications in DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes. So again, please consult your learning materials for more information on these classes. Obviously, you won't be able to click on these links, so please consult your learning materials. Here's a summary of what we covered. We had our overview of cloud technology. We also talked about popular cloud job titles and job functions, and we discussed a little bit about programming languages. Next, we'll discuss technology related to blockchain, and our topics will include jobs. Again, please consult your learning materials for some follow-up classes in HTML and cascading style sheet, database design, Python, blockchain, cybersecurity, more about cloud technology. Thank you again for watching this video presented by Coding Bootcamps, and we'll see you in the next session.